On the occasion of Tinkercad's 10th birthday, I want to thank Kai Bachman and Mikko Mononen for bringing their vision of accessible 3D design into existence. I want to thank Autodesk and the Tinkercad staff for sustaining and directing that vision. I came to Tinkercad after attending Maker Faire 2014 at the San Mateo Fairgrounds, and I stayed for the past 6 years to try to max out my ability to produce figurative artwork with Tinkercad. Tinkercad has allowed me to unleash legions of designs that have been bubbling in my subconscious mind for decades, and it has allowed me to meet friends from all over the world in the common pursuit of creating and printing 3D artwork. So I'm looking forward to working with Tinkercad staff, my Tinkercad family of users at Tinkercad, and the Tinkercad Facebook groups. I want to work with you guys for another 10 years of showing and growing Tinkercad's reach and abilities. Here's to 10 more years of Tinkercad. Peace out, Crasher Rocks.